immigrated to United States from communist Czechoslovakia 30 years ago. So I wanted to explain to people what these globalists are doing, that America is the last standing front, and they want to break our country into the one world government, new world order. And so I was talking on those topics, also explaining that we the people are the power, and they are afraid when we find out, and that our framers gave us absolutely beautiful foundation to defend our rights, which is the Constitution for the United States, and that we have tools to work with. That all we have to do is we have to charge these people that are perjuring their oath, violating due process of law, and trespassing on our constitutional rights. And so for that, they have to be removed from the office, because we do not tolerate traitors in our country. It's an interesting story. I've never traveled because in communism you cannot leave, and I've heard about America from a friend, and I just wanted to come to this land of opportunity. I wanted to experience the American dream, and when I came here, unfortunately, within short few years, I found out that these globalists are here as well, and that they've been working very quietly underneath the surface for a very long time. And so what we are seeing with the COVID-19 right now is not just something that happened. That's the result of years, some 200 years in working. But it gives us really great opportunity to see everything in plain sight. And now we can decide, what do we want to do with it? Do we allow this tyranny to continue, or are we ready now to claim our freedom back, our true freedom, which we never truly had? We couldn't travel. We didn't have access to the technology. We didn't have access to things that Americans are used to. But on the other side, we made things work, right? And so I think that also gives me a different perspective, because coming here, I could see the difference between my life there and the life opportunity here. And that is why I am fighting so hard, because I know what communism is about. But also, what we are experiencing now is much worse. My life in communism wasn't like this. No one was muzzling me. No one was obstructing my breathways. We could go to school. We could hang out with friends. So this is really a big wake-up call. The message for Americans and people around the world is that we must stand up. We must stand up, we must resist, and we have to go after these traitors. We have to go after these dictators, because we are the power, we the people, and they are afraid of us. And we need to make our stand heard. We need to be visible, so everyone needs to go and needs to go to claim their freedom.